Hi and welcome. I'm Don Ridenour, a licensed mental health counselor. I want to do a quick update on my grocery store anxiety video. I mentioned in that video one of my clients who had that situation where she was really working at some techniques that we had worked on together, and she was in the grocery store for the first time actually using them, and the lady in line started criticizing her out loud, and my client kind of blew up, yelled at her to mind her own business, or because she was about to go off on her. And my client was very embarrassed. She came in to see me, said, "I'll never be able to go back there again." And I said, "Well, why not?" And she said, "I'd just be too embarrassed." And I said, "Are you kidding me? You are the hero in that store. Nobody liked that lady, and everybody liked it that you stood up to her." And so she took that as a win. I was talking to her just today, and I mentioned that I had shared her story as an inspiration to other people, and she was touched by that. And she said, and this is a direct quote, "And I own those stores now." And went on to tell me how much fun she has taking her kids to the mall, going grocery shopping, and that it is no longer a problem in her life at all. So I just thought I'd give you that update. I was very inspired again by her, and I just wanted to give you an example of how well this approach can work if you give it time and really work at it. So thanks for that. If you found this update helpful, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.